Hi, second grade. My name is Miss McIntyre, and I'm so excited to be teaching you this year. Last year, I had some of you in my classroom with the Bulldogs, and you might be a Bulldog again. And I also taught a lot of you during math on the computer. This year, for second grade, we're going to be doing math on the computer also. My favorite subject is, can you guess? Math. I love math because you can hold so many of the tools in your hands and create really cool things with shapes and rubber bands and build stuff with blocks and work with really large numbers. My favorite foods are mac and cheese and chocolate. I love chocolate. I eat it every single day. I've got a jar of chocolate in the kitchen right now. Another fun fact about me is I have a dog. Does anybody know what my dog's name is? His name is Gumbo. I'm going to try to go find him. He's a little dirty right now. Gumbo, say hi. Well, I'm so excited to teach you this year in second grade and see what all of you have done over the summer. See you soon.